Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Prelude build-up. And today we're just going to do some full detailing on the car. Right now, we're going to be taking a couple more things off the Prelude, especially the wrap, the tint, and then the steering wheel cover. It does come with the steering wheel cover, so I'm going to try to take that out. But for today, we're just going to try to get most of these things out of the way because, the interior is almost basically done. I like it. I'm gonna like how once everything is like all taken off, it's gonna sit so well. And then we're gonna go ahead and just wash this car afterwards. And it's just a big mess today. Just we're trying to take out this panel or this piece so we can remove the wrap completely and just completely clean it. And then we're gonna go ahead with this steering wheel cover. I'm not sure if I should just keep it or just actually, you know what? I was gonna keep it under because, you know, I don't want to know what's under it. But we're gonna go ahead and detail that, the center console, and then we already took off the rear tint because it's already fucked up. And we're just gonna try to take off the rest of the residue out of that. Probably gonna keep the tints here. This is kind of necessarily for me to take off because I couldn't really see, especially with the coupe, it's kind of hard to see most of everything since it has a lot of blind spots. But if anything, I will probably see if I could tint the side window. If anything, I'm still debating on it. And then we're gonna take off this wrap right here too. And I don't know why this is on here, but and then yeah, it's how everything all goes for this car. So we just figured out that when we were taking off the door panel or speaker panel, we found this within the speaker, and I have no clue why this is like this. Kind of defeats the purpose of this part of the speaker. I have no idea what this part is called. But I feel like that's called a bass or something like that. But why is this on here, dude? There's a button right here too. You know, we're gonna remove the speaker since I'm not gonna be using a radio anytime soon. Let's see how this goes. You already took it out? I already disconnected the wire. So far, we're making a lot of progress. Besides this one being broken, and then this finish is not as good as the other side right now. Everything looks pretty good so far, and the trunk it's finally clean, I would like to say, except for these wires right here, the wires up there. But overall, this is a better setup since all the wires are kind of like taped against the wall or chassis. So just in case I have to put something in the back, it won't interfere with anything since this is a small trunk. Good so far. And then coming to the rear windows, I could not get to the bottom of the rear windshield regardless of how much clearance I have. Still nothing. So either way, I'm gonna get this rear window re-tinted because it was really messed up beforehand. And just right now, once we put everything back together, we're just gonna go ahead and just wash the car and everything like that. What the hell? It is gay.